Baked seafood spaghetti. A side dish from Italy. Serves 4. You will need 9 ingredients. Step 1. Scrub the mussels well under cold running water, cutting off the beards with a small, sharp knife. Discard any that do not close when tapped sharply. Place the mussels and the wine in a large saucepan and heat until opened. Lift out the mussels and remove to a side dish. Discard any that do not open. Strain the cooking liquid into a bowl through paper towels and reserve until needed. Preheat the oven to 300 degrees
Step 3.
Fahrenheit. In a medium saucepan, heat the oil and garlic together for 1 to 2 minutes. Add the tomatoes and cook over moderate to high heat until softened. Stir 3/4 cup of the mussel cooking liquid into the saucepan.
Step 4.
Cook the pasta in plenty of boiling salted water until tender to the tooth. Just before draining the pasta, add the shrimp and parsley to the tomato sauce. Cook for 2 minutes. Taste for seasoning.
Step
5.
Adding
salt and pepper.
Prepare
if
4
necessary.
pieces of
parchment paper
Remove
or foil
from the
about
heat.
12 by 18 inches. Place each sheet in the center of a shallow bowl. Turn the drained pasta into a mixing bowl. Add the tomato sauce and
Step
mix well.
6.
Stir
Divide
the
the
pasta and seafood among the 4 pieces of paper or foil, placing a mound in the center of each and twisting the ends together to make a closed package. Arrange on a large baking sheet and place in the center of the
CountryReports.
oven. Culture.
Bake for 8 to 10 minutes.
Travel.
Place
Place the unopened packages